Welcome back. In a world where attention spans are shorter than a goldfish's memory, no offense, hecklefish. There's a new phenomenon taking over social media. They're called sticky animations, and they're going viral at an alarming rate. Today, we're showing you exactly how these digital doppelgangers are made.
A digital doppelganger? I knew it. It's the lizard people, a J.
They're using these little stick figures to distract us while they replace.
The real grass with green spray-painted concrete. It's a total takeover.
It's actually just a creative tool, hecklefish. But if you want to join the takeover, here is how you do it in 2 parts. Step 1. The AI scriptwriter. You need a funny, engaging script. You can use an AI tool to generate a scenario, like a boss interviewing a job seeker, and then refine it to fit your style. Step 2. The digital voice. Use an AI voice generator to create distinct characters. Pick natural-sounding voices that have some life in their tone.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl. She was known...
Is mayonnaise an instrument, or what? Never mind.
I'm ready. I'll give you the Krabby Patty secret formula.
Step 3. The audio mix. Take those voice files into an editor like Capwing. You'll need to split and arrange the dialogue so they flow like a real conversation.
Hi, I need a job and I see you're hiring.
Yeah, do you have any experience?
Oh, no, I just graduated.
Sorry, can't help you.
Step 4. The animation lab. Download the TweenCraft app on your phone. It's built for beginners. Step 5. Setting the scene. Choose your aspect ratio. 9:16 is perfect for shorts, and pick your background.
You can even upload your own secret bunker as a custom background.
Step 6. Choosing the suspects. Select 2 animated characters for your scene. Step 7. Uploading the evidence. Import the voiceover audio you mixed earlier. You'll assign specific lines to each character by splitting the audio track where their dialogue ends.
Hi, I need a job.
And pause
I
it
see
where
you're
the
hiring.
dialogue ends and click split. Now this voice is assigned to the employer's character. So let's do the same for the boss's character. Click on this icon.
Yeah, do you have any experience?
Pause where the dialogue ends and click split, and it's done. Now repeat the process and assign all the dialogues to the respective characters. Once you're done, let's see how it looks. Click here to play the video.
Hi, I need a job and I see you're hiring.
Yeah, do you have any experience?
Oh, no, I just graduated.
Sorry, can't help you.
What do you mean?
And it looks good. So now we have successfully added the voiceover to our animation video. Now to make the animation more natural, we need to add some facial expressions and hand gestures. So let's go to the 4th step,
Which is to animate the characters.
You can give the characters different movements and expressions for each dialogue to make the animation more dynamic and expressive. So to animate them, click on a character, and here you'll notice pink dots in different parts of the characters. Simply click on the pink dot and their hand will move into the position that you want. Repeat this for the head and any part that you'd like to adjust. Keep refining until the pose looks right. And to change the character's facial expressions, click on Expressions and select the one you want to apply to the character. Once you've chosen the expression, click Apply. And once you're satisfied with both the pose and the expression, click Done. All right?
Now in the same way, let's animate the other character. First, click on the character. Adjust the pose to match the dialogue.
Then go to Expressions and choose the expression you want. Now let's play the video. And it looks amazing.
All right. Now we have successfully animated the characters for our video. Now to enhance our video and make it even more engaging, let's go to the fifth step,
which is to add sound effects. To do that, click on this plus icon. And as you can see, there are plenty of options available to enhance your video. For example, if you want to add props, click on Add Props and you'll find a variety of props to choose from. So to add the sound effects, let's click here. Now click on the plus icon, click on Sound Effects, and you'll get these options. Let's check this one out. Click here to play the sound, and you can check all the options and choose the one you like. I like this one, so I'll click Add and click here.
Hi, I need a job and I see you're hiring.
Yeah. Do you have any experience?
Oh, no, I just graduated.
That sounds good. And in the same way, you can add sound effects wherever you want in the video. Once you're done, click Next. And now we have successfully added the sound and video effects, and our sticky animation video is ready, and it looks fantastic. So once you're happy with how the video looks, we can go ahead and download the video. To do that, just click on Export, and as you can see, our video is getting ready to download. So just click Save to Gallery, and your video will be downloaded. Now let's take a look at the final result.
Hi, I need a job and I see you're hiring.
Yeah. Do you have any experience?
Oh, no, I just graduated.
Sorry, can't help you.
What do you mean?
You need experience.
But I need a job to get experience.
No, you need experience to get a job.
That's why I'm here.
We have jobs here, not experience.
Then where do I get the experience?
So I can make an animation of a Cylon admitting the moon is hollow? And I can make him do a little dance while he says it?
It is time you knew. The moon is, in fact, hollow. Quite useful, wouldn't you agree?
Sign me up. Is it free?
Or is there a subscription shadow tax?
You can start for free right now. Once you're happy with your video, just export it to your gallery and prepare for the viral algorithm.
If you want to start making your own viral videos, the tools are in the description. Just remember, keep your scripts funny, your animations dynamic, and always keep looking for the truth. Be safe, be kind, and know the truth is out there.
And lizard people!